Vinyl flooring is the most popular floor covering among most homeowners because it is highly durable and comes at an affordable price. It is available in a wide range, thus you can select it right according to the interior style of your living space. Now the main thing which makes vinyl flooring a really cost-effective flooring solution is its installation, which you can totally do by yourself instead of acquiring professional services. With that being said, here in this video, we will show you how you can properly lay the vinyl plank flooring by yourself in a few easy steps. 1. Preparing the subfloor. First things first, the installation of vinyl flooring requires a proper subfloor, thus it is important to first prepare your subfloor and then go for the actual installation. Clean the entire flooring with a vacuum, and if you notice any bumps or cracks, fill them up and make sure the surface is equally leveled. 2. Installation of underlayment. When your subflooring is completely prepared, it is time to install the underlayment so that you can have a comfortable walking experience. This will make the flooring surface's density high, and you will get a really smooth and pleasant sensation underfoot. For that, you just have to roll out the underlayment over the floor, making sure that it covers the entire area. Use a utility knife just in order to cut the extra piece or to adjust the underlayment according to the area size. Fill up the seam by a few inches and tape them together using underlayment tape. 3. Lay the vinyl planks. Before you start laying vinyl planks, it is important to let them acclimate to the room's temperature for at least 48 hours. After that, cut out the plank into the sizes you want using a utility knife and a straight edge with maximum care. Start by laying the planks in the corner of your room using a spacer to leave a 1/4 inch of gap between the wall and the planks. Now lay the next row in the same manner, leaving no gap in between, and cover your entire room's area. 4. Do the finishing touches. When you are done laying all the planks, it is time to do the finishing touches so that your place can look presentable. Now remove the spacer and trim out any excess underlayment or the plank. Moldings can be used to fill in all the gaps along the room's perimeter. Clear out all the mess created during this entire process and vacuum the area properly. Use a damp mop and mild cleaning solution so that the flooring can look maximally tidy. Always avoid abrasive elements for cleaning purposes and look out for any scratches and damage on its surface.